Hello, welcome back. In this particular video, we'll see the concept of loop. Okay, so why do we require the loop? Yes, so let us see one small example. Okay, saying that print the name, your name 10 times. Okay, right? So I need to print my name for 10 times. So now till now, whatever we have studied in C, okay, based on that, what I can do is that I can write just a printf statement. Okay, then I will write Bhupesh Deka. Okay, right. Now I save this, and if I execute, you see my main Bhupesh Deka has been displayed one. But what the question said that I want to display, suppose say 10 times. So what I will do, so I will just copy paste. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me save it. Yes, now I will execute. See, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But have you seen one thing? We are just repeating the same statement. Okay, same written statement. I have written it for the 10 times. So now if I require for 100 times, I will be writing the same thing for 100 times. If I require for 10,000 times, I will require for 10,000. So that means each statement I've been repeating, you've been repeating for 100 times. So what I can do, I don't repeat this particular statement for 100 times, but somewhere I will use a concept to which this particular statement will be executed 10 times, right? This particular statement can be executed at 10 times, and that is where it is the concept of loops comes into picture. Okay, so in C there are three types of loops. Okay, number one, it is called as the while loop. Okay, number two, it is called as the do while loop. Okay, and number three is the for loop. Okay, right. So these are the three loops through which we can use in order to this type of problem itself. So in order to print my name 10 times, so if I want to display my name 100 times, or not only I'm talking about name, any kind of activities, right? Suppose say the addition of two numbers, I want to can keep on and do this for repeatedly. I want to do it for suppose 10 times, many times, and all these things. So certain things, certain state group of statement, if I want to repeatedly I want to execute for a couple of times, okay, then the concept of loops comes into picture. And in C, there are three types of loop. One is the while loop, another is the do while loop, and lastly we have the for loop. Okay, so I hope the loop has been clear to you. So the loops help us in order to execute repeated statements repeatedly. We are calling this particular right on the statement. So even in order to do so, we can easily do using the concept of loop. So in the next video, we'll be talking about the while loop. In the while loop, also we'll see how all this loop. First, we'll see how this loop can be made into in the flow chart, and later then we'll see how it can be. We can write a some kind of programs using the while loop, do while loop, and the for loop.